Hey everyone, if Penpot images are not uploading, stuck while loading, or failing without any clear reason, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to get your image uploads working again. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Unstable networks can interrupt uploads and cause image failures. Next, refresh the page and try uploading the image again. Yeah, temporary glitches can sometimes break the upload process. Make sure your image is in a supported format like PNG, JPEG, or SVG. I mean, unsupported formats can fail during upload. If your image is too large, try compressing it first. So oversized files can cause upload timeouts or failures. Sometimes special characters in file names can cause issues. Renaming the file to something simple like image1 can help. Corrupted browser data can interfere with uploads. Yeah, clearing cache and cookies may fix image upload problems. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can block uploads. I mean, temporarily disabling them is worth testing. If images still aren't uploading, open Penpot in another browser. So this helps confirm whether the issue is browser-related. Sometimes upload failures are caused by server issues. If Penpot is under maintenance, you may need to wait until services are restored. If nothing works, contact Penpot support. They can investigate upload errors and help restore image functionality. And that's it. One of these methods should help fix Penpot image upload issues and get your files working again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.